What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Gus and this is Cali Rebuildables. It's been a while since I've uploaded a video. So before we go to this video, today is Monday. I'll probably upload the video tonight. But before we go to the video, I want to give a shout out to Chris over at Rover Rebuilds. If you don't know who I'm talking about, go down to my video description and you'll see a link to his channel. It's called Rover Rebuilds. So mainly he focuses on Range Rovers, Land Rovers, you know, those type of cars. He rebuilds them also. He buys from COPART and rebuilds them. So go check out his channel if you like it. Subscribe to his channel. He's at 136 subscribers right now, somewhere around there. And he's gonna do a giveaway at 500 subscribers, guys. So make sure you subscribe. And recently on his 100 subscriber, he did a giveaway, and this is what I got. Oops, I got it upside down. Check this out, guys. I don't know if you see it. I'm gonna move sideways just to get the whole towel. Hopefully I get all of it. It's a towel. It's a huge towel from Snap-on. I mean, it's huge. It's a huge towel. So this is this was his first giveaway for his 100 subscribers. So he's gonna do another giveaway at 500. So like I said, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And that's pretty much it. You know, thank you, Chris, for the towel. And hopefully you get to the 500 subscribers pretty soon, and then to the 1K. So that's pretty much it. Let's go to the video, guys. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. For those of you that don't know, my name is Gus, and well, this is Cali Rebuildables. But this morning I'm heading down to the junkyard. Pick and pull is maybe like 30 minutes away, because you know we've been having we had this F150, the one that I'm driving right now, for while now. We kind of set it aside, so now it's time to try to make it look better and try to get rid of it, hopefully. I'm sorry about the wind, guys, but that window's down and the doors or the windows are manual, so I can't reach. If I had a button, I would just hit the switch and push the window up, but it's manual, so I can't really do nothing about it right now. So yeah, I'm headed to the junkyard. Hopefully, I'm trying to look for some seats, because this seat, it's ripped. I don't know if you could, yeah, there it is. It's ripped and it's missing a chunk. So it's missing a nice chunk of vinyl on one side, and it's missing a chunk on the bottom too. Let me see if now you guys can't see it. I mean, I'm pretty sure you saw that big rip. But yeah, I'm trying to get some different seats, because over at Pick and Pull they're like 50 bucks, you know, each seat. So I'll probably end up getting two, and hopefully a center console, because they have a navigator there, and I'm pretty sure the seats do fit. So I want to do navigator seats in the navigator front center console, and somehow, you know, make it fit. Let me show you guys a bit of the view as I drive, and then see you guys in a bit at the Pick and Pull. Here we are. So now I've got to look for an F150 or a navigator. Most likely it's gonna be over here. Okay, I see some Expedition, so it might be close. Okay, guys, so this is the navigator I came to see, but it's missing the seats. See, it's missing the seats. Hopefully these back ones work, but I'll see if they work. Okay guys, so I have the center console here, that one that I just bought, and I'm painting this silver area. I already got this one painted, so it looks a lot better. This one's got the first layer, so I sanded it. I sanded down that piece, used an adhesion promoter, and used some of the silver paint that I had left over from the E90. So something pretty quick. I could do like maybe 30 minutes and make this thing look better. This is the center console I'll be using on the F150 in the center, because I'm gonna remove the center seat and install this. Hopefully it looks cool. Okay guys, so center console is dry. I still need to do a little bit cleaning on top because it's pretty dirty. So now I'm gonna find a way to remove that center seat, because I don't like that seat. I don't want it there. So that's where I'm gonna put the center console. I was looking for one of the ones that go all the way over there from the navigator, but there wasn't no way where I was gonna make it, you know, attached to that and make it look good. So I used the center console from the rear seats. So hopefully that works. So I'm gonna find a way to remove this and install that. This thing sucks, guys. This is what I was talking to you guys about. This is a seat that I hate. That's why I wanted to replace the both seats from a navigator, the both captain seats, captain chairs, and the center console, and that would definitely make this thing look better. But oh well, I'll keep on waiting till I find another navigator with the seats. Okay guys, finally I got the center seat out. All I have to do is remove the bolts that go from that side, this side, and this side. I removed before this, but this one's supposed to be moved. Most likely the center console will lay over this, so I'm gonna put these ones back, and also the ones in the front, these ones. So but before I do that, I'm gonna try in the center console. There's the seat. Okay, so we're gonna smoke the tail lights a bit to make them a little bit darker, to match the rest of the truck. Okay guys, this is the way I have them so far. I covered the red with some vinyl and left the chrome exposed, and that's what I blacked out right now. Just the chrome sections. I'm still kind of missing a spot right here, but I don't know if I should leave them that way. What do you guys think? Let me try it on the car, on the truck. I'll probably smoke this just a bit, but I kind of like them that way. Let me know what you guys think. Okay guys, check it out. What do you guys think? I went over it with two passes of that spray can, the night shades spray can for the taillights. You can still see some red, but definitely can't see no chrome. I kind of like them that way better. Let me know what you guys think. For a while now, we've been using it every day for work, but now I think it's time to let it go. So I'm gonna make this thing a little bit prettier. I don't like the tires. I've never liked the tires the way it look, because they're like those. They don't even have a good shape. They're just like random tires, pretty ugly. So now I have something down here. See these right here? I'm gonna try them on. I'll put them on the truck, and hopefully they look pretty cool. But let me know what you guys think. Okay, so now these are pretty wide. This will not fit
in here because this thing's pretty small, so I need to go get some lug nuts for the rims. I'm not gonna you're showing, I mean the rims are used, guys. They're used rims. I'm probably thinking of lowering it also, maybe just the back. Right now it looks low, but that's because it's got a lot of tiles on the back, so that's why it's pretty heavy. But once I remove the tiles, it'll go up again. But that's what I want. I want it to see like straight the way it is. So let me go get some lug nuts and then I'll come back, try and put them on. Okay guys, so now I'm on my way to go get some of the lug nuts that I need for the truck, because as you saw, the other ones were too wide, too big. So I need to go get some thinner ones over at the tire shop, and we'll see if I find some. See you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so I got these are 24 lug nuts. They were $1 a piece, so but they're the right size, at least that's what the guy told me. I mean, you can see the difference between that big old and it was a lot smaller, so that's what I'm looking for. That's what I need. So let me start removing the tire, guys. Okay guys, so today's another day. Today's Tuesday. Just got off work, and as you can see, I have the rims on the truck. But the truck started making some noise. The noise is coming through here. So, you know, I thought it was like the bearings or stuff like that, but then I learned that, you know, the water pump's behind. The person that told me that might be the water pump told me to see if I see any leaks, and there's a couple drops. And it usually does that the same every single time I turn it on or whatever, or even if I don't turn it on. I have no idea. I haven't paid attention if it's only when I drive it or not, but I do notice that the drops. So I'm gonna try to change the water pump. Okay guys, so there, yeah, I don't know if you guys could see, don't mind the tape, but you see the new water pump right there. So I switched the water pump and the noise went away, so that took care of the problem. No more leaks also. As you can see, no more leaks. I also installed some HIDs. So these some HIDs, let me show you guys. They are 8,000 Ks. Once again, in the camera, I don't know why they look green, but they're blue. I don't know why they look green, guys. Same thing as the Mini Cooper. They were supposed to look blue. Well, they are blue in person, but right in the camera it's like green. So I haven't found the seat, but there's a center console. This is how it looks after I painted it. Honestly, it makes the truck look better inside. Not that much of a work truck. Well, it is a work truck, the base model, but you know, at least that makes it look a little bit better. So yeah, let me show you guys the tail lights. You guys saw the tail lights already. If you guys didn't see those stickers, I just added those. And those are the rims, guys. Those are the rims. With 26s. I also did the license plates. So let me know what you guys think, guys. Check it out.
There it is, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, guys, so that's pretty much for the video. Please let me know what you guys think. As always, I haven't been uploading videos pretty often, so sorry about that. You guys haven't seen this car. You guys didn't get to see this car. Remember, I was looking for an SUV for my wife. Well, that's it. That's the SUV. You guys didn't see the rebuild, so you guys didn't get to see the rebuild on this. It didn't have that much damage, but you see that scrape right there and the front bumper. The headlights look brand new, but I did not replace them. They came like that. So basically that's all I did. I replaced the front bumper. I don't have the keys with me, but there it is. Got the leather, the navigation, the moonroof. It's a nice little car. It's got the rear view camera, so it's all-wheel drive. So I could go on the sand. And so yeah, guys, it's a nice little car. I want to give a shout out to Al over at COPART San Jose. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Like I said, let me know what you guys think, and see you guys in the next video.